Четвертый класс, английский язык. Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 30, часть 2, страница 74-75. English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 30, part number 2, page number 74-75. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 74. 74. Our world. Наш мир. Warwick Castle is one of the most famous castles in England. Queen Elizabeth I visited the castle, and Queen Victoria had lunch there. Today, you can visit the castle and have lunch there too. Read the text. B. Chambord Castle is in France. It is one of the most beautiful castles in France. It looks like something out of a fairy tale. Drew Barrymore acted in a film called Ever After in this castle. Read the text. C. Dublin Castle is an island. The tower is 800 years old. Its tower was prison, but now it's a museum. There is also a gift shop where you can buy souvenirs. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Which castle? Read and choose A, B or C. Какой замок? Прочитай и выбери A, B или C. Number 1. They made a film here. The answer number 1, B. Они сняли фильм там. Number 2. Its tower was a prison, but now it's a museum. Number 2. The answer, letter C. Его башня сначала была тюрьмой, но сейчас это музей. Number 3. An English queen had lunch there. Number 3. The answer, letter A. Английская королева обедала там. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75. 75. Exercise number 2. Read the text and answer the questions. Прочитай текст и ответь на вопросы. Mikhailovsky Castle in St. Petersburg is one of the most famous castles in Russia. Vasily Bajenov designed the castle to protect Tsar Paul I. 40 days after the Tsar moved into the castle, someone killed him in his own bed. Now the castle is part of the Russian Museum, and there is a collection of some of the most famous portraits of Russian leaders in the rooms on the second floor. There are also some beautiful statues, including one of the Grigory Orlov. The castle looks different from each side because the architects used different styles. And now you must answer the questions. Number 1. Where is Mikhailovsky castle? Где находится Михайловский замок? The answer. It's in St. Petersburg. Он находится в Санкт-Петербурге. Number 2. Who designed it? Кто спроектировал его? The answer. Number 2. Василий Баженов designed it. Василий Баженов спроектировал его. Question number 3. How long did Tsar Paul I stay in the castle? Number 3. Как долго царь Павел I оставался в замке? Number 3. The answer. He stayed in the castle for 40 days. Он оставался в замке 40 дней. Read the question number 4. What can you see on the second floor? Number 4. Что ты можешь увидеть на втором этаже? Number 4. The answer. You can see there collection of some of the most famous portraits of Russian leaders. Ты можешь увидеть там коллекцию нескольких самых знаменитых портретов русских лидеров. Question number 5. Why does the castle look different from each side? Number 5. Почему замок выглядит по-разному с каждой стороны? Number 5. The answer. The architects used different styles. Архитекторы использовали разные стили. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Write about a castle or an old building in your country. Напиши про замок или старинное здание в твоей стране. The answer. St. Basil's Cathedral is the church in the Red Square in Moscow, Russia. It's one of the most beautiful cathedrals in Russia. Many tourists travel to Moscow and almost all of them visited this cathedral. It was a church, but since 1991 it's also a museum. The first Tsar of Russia, Ivan Grozny, ordered to build this cathedral in 1554. It was built in honor of victory in Kazan and Astrakhan. Barma and Poznik designed this church. There you can see 9 chapels. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.